Which type of motor is not used in axis or spindle drives of CNC machine tools? Guys, this question is also from production technology. Let's look at the solution. Induction motors are not used in axis or spindle drives of CNC machine tools. To understand this, let us consider few note points. The spindle drives are generally used in CNC machines to enable accurate control of machine acceleration, speed, and torque. Spindle motors and drives together equip CNC machines to make extremely precise cuts and manipulate workpieces to required standards. The spindle drives are essentially a specialized type of induction motors that are velocity controlled and are well suited for creation of rotating movements. They rely on open loop feedback systems and magnets to function without an encoder. Even though they are less flexible as compared to servo motors, they are supremely power efficient and lightweight. They produce low noise and possess low vibration level under their operation. Hence, the correct answer to this question is option A.